Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Literature and Random Videos channel by नेहा सुल्ताना। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे बहुत ही अमेजिंग पोएम चर्च गोइंग, जिसे फ़िलिप लर्किन ने 1954 में लिखा था। फ़िलिप लर्किन 1922 में पैदा हुए थे और 1985 में इनका देहांत हो गया था। तो इस पोएम के की फीचर्स हैं, पहला तो ये कब पब्लिश हुई थी 1954 में, और इस पोएम में की फीचर्स हैं चर्च, डेथ के बारे में है और एक्सप्लोरेशन है, एक्सप्लोर है, दोनों एक ही चीज़ हैं आई नो, लाइफ, नेचर, रिलीजन एंड देन स्पिरिट, स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड टाइम। तो चलिए दोस्तों, पोएम को समझेंगे हम आज। चर्च गोइंग is a poem by William Larkin that explores the relationship between religion and modernity. The speaker, who is not religious, visits a rural church and reflects on its significance in society despite the decline of religious belief. The poem considers the enduring human need for ritual and स्पिरिचुअल कनेक्शन इवन इन अ सेक्युलर एज। यहाँ पर जो है फ़िलिप लर्किन रिलीजन और मॉडर्निटी के बारे में बताया है और उन्होंने रिलेशनशिप के भी बारे में बताया है इन्होंने इस पोएम में। और जो है पोएट जो फ़िलिप लर्किन है, जो कि रिलीजियस पर्सन नहीं है, उन्होंने एक रूरल चर्च को जो है विज़िट किया है और उस चर्च के सिग्निफिकेंस के बारे में भी बताया है। तो पोएम की फर्स्ट लाइन है, मैं पढ़ती हूँ। Once I am sure there is nothing going on, I step inside, letting the door thud shut. Another church, matting, seats and stone, and little books, sprawlings of flowers cut for Sunday brownish. Now, some brass and stuff. Up at the holy end, the small neat organ, and a tense, musty, unignorable silence breathed God knows how long. Heedless, I take off. My cycle clips in awkward reverence. Move forward, run my hand around the font. From where I stand, the roof looks almost new, cleaned or restored. Someone would know I don't. Mounting the ice turn, I pursue a few hectoring large-scale verses and pronounce "Here endeth" much more loudly than I'd meant. The echoes snigger briefly. Back at the door, I sign the book, donate an Irish sixpence, reflected the place was not worth stopping for. Yet stop I did. In fact, I often do, and always end much at a loss like this, wondering what to look for, wondering too, when churches fall completely out of use, what we shall turn them into, if we shall keep. A few cathedrals chronically on show, their parchment plate and pixie in locked cases, and let the rest rent free to rain and sheep. Shall we avoid them as unlucky places? Or after dark will dubious women come to make their children touch a particular stone, pick simples for a cancer, or on some advised night see walking a dead one? Power of some sort or other will go on in games and riddles, seemingly at random, but superstition, like belief, must die, and what remains when disbelief has gone? Grass, weedy pavement, brambles, buttress, sky. A shape less recognizable each week, a purpose more obscure, I wonder who will be the last, the very last to seek this place for what it was, one of the crew that tapped and jot and knew what root lofts were. Some rin bibbers, randy for antique, or Christmas addict, counting on a whiff of gone and bands and organ pipes and myrrh, or will he be my representative? Bored, uninformed, knowing the ghostly slit, dispersed yet tending to this cross of ground through suburb scrub, because it held unsplit so long and equably what since is found only in separation, marriage and birth and death and thoughts of these for which was built this special shell, for though I have no idea what this accord thread frosty barn is worth, it pleases me to stand in silence here. A serious house on serious earth it is, in whose blent air all our compulsions meet, are recognized and robbed as destinies, and that much never can be obsolete. Since someone will forever be surprising, a hunger in himself to be more serious and gravitating with it to this ground, which he once heard was proper to grow wise in, if only that so many dead lie round. So the poem ends here. If you all really like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, that is Real Literature and Random Videos by Neha Sultan.